Ecoworm, UK's leading producer and distributor of organic, highly effective fertilizers, which are natural, environmentally friendly, safe for humans and pets, and approved for organic farming. Ecoworm Soil Extract is based on Organic Vermicompost, which is rich in minerals, nutrients, and beneficial microorganisms essential for healthy plant growth and disease suppression. Our products are specially formulated to stimulate high-quality plant growth in all conditions, whether it's indoors, outdoors, or in the greenhouse. Unlike other fertilizers, Ecoworm products have no bad smell, no chemicals, are easy to apply, and act fast. So, how does it work? We farm earthworms, feed them organic waste, and provide the best living conditions. In return, they provide us with vermicompost, which is the base of Ecoworm Soil Extract. Using the latest technology, we extract highly concentrated liquid from vermicompost. Same effect, just concentrated. Dilute with water and apply to your plants. Our brand is well recognized by well-known companies in the UK as well as abroad. Since 2012, we worked hard to create a positive change and focus on making products that do not harm our planet, but preserve natural resources and create a safer and healthier world for us and our future generations. Ecoworm. Healthy soil, healthy food, healthy people.